Hey Wolverines, my name is Beth Smith and I'm a registered dietitian with Michigan Dining, and I'm coming to you from my own home with a great kitchen hack. So in my household, we eat a lot of hard-boiled eggs. They're a great quick snack, they are great in protein, and they're inexpensive. But the one thing that drives me nuts, you guessed it, getting the shell off. Let me show you a quick hack. First, just crack the end of an egg, and then you're gonna just wanna chip away, and then you take your teaspoon and you just kinda glide it underneath the shell, and you can literally take chunks of the shell off at a time. What's great about this again is you get the most yield out of the egg without taking chunks of the actual egg white right off. I love this. And look at that. That egg looks pretty smooth. I would say we've gotten almost every 100% of the egg. Look forward to more kitchen hacks coming at you from the dietitians and the chefs here at Michigan Dining. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Bye.